Today, I'll show you how to add a glitch effect to your video, great for giving your footage that digital distortion or techie vibe. Let's get started. First, open your project in InShot and tap on the video clip you want to edit. Now go down to the toolbar and tap on Effect. From the list of categories, scroll over to the Glitch tab and select the glitch effect. Once you've applied it, you'll notice a value slider at the bottom. This slider controls how intense the glitch appears. Slide it from 0 to 100 to adjust the strength. Higher values give you more distortion and movement. You can also drag the edges of the effect layer on the timeline to control how long it shows up in your clip. And that's it. You've added and customized a glitch effect in your video using InShot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fast and easy InShot editing tips.